Can a bad serpentine belt cause a loss of power? Absolutely. It's like having a weak Wi-Fi signal. Everything slows down. The serpentine belt is the power broker in your car, driving multiple components essential for performance. When it falters, so does your vehicle. When the serpentine belt slips or breaks, the alternator stops charging the battery. This lack of juice can cause your car to stall or start sluggishly. Imagine trying to stream your favorite show with no internet. Not happening, right? The belt also powers the power steering pump. So if it's worn out, steering becomes a gym workout. Forget those breezy turns. Your arms will be begging for mercy. It's annoying at best, dangerous at worst, especially when parking or maneuvering. And then there's the water pump. A failing belt stops it from circulating engine coolant. Overheating becomes your engine's best buddy. And you know what that means? Potential engine damage. Think of your engine as you in a sauna. Might feel good initially, but we all have our limits. Lower power output isn't just in your head. One noticeable pain point is decreased AC performance. Ever been in a hot, packed room with no fan? Yeah, that's your car without the properly functioning serpentine belt. Monitor for warning signs like squealing noises or cracks in the belt. It's the kind of sound that makes you cringe, much like fingernails on a chalkboard. Such signs screaming at you, check me before I wreck your drive. Replacing it before it snaps saves you from being stranded roadside. No one likes a highway hitchhike story. It's much better to be proactive than stuck reminiscing about the time my car died on I-5. Trust me, I've heard those tales. When replacing the serpentine belt, check the belt tensioner and pulleys too. It's like checking your bike's chain and gears together. Both work hand in hand. A strong supporting cast ensures the belt's smooth operation. Pro tip, keep a spare serpentine belt in your trunk if you're up for minor repairs yourself. It's like having a backup charger. Small precaution that might save your day. Definitely some foresight you'll thank yourself for later. Liquids also matter. Regularly check for leaking oil or coolant as they can degrade belt quality. A leaky situation is only fun when we're talking juice boxes. Your belt, not so much. Stop leaks before they spiral into bigger, pricier problems. So what's the takeaway? Serpentine belts do more than meet the eye. They silently support your car's performance, often unnoticed until they're compromised. Keep yours in check and enjoy that seamless ride without mysterious hiccups. Maintenance isn't just about keeping your car clean. It's about ensuring all these small but mighty parts work harmoniously. Trust me, you'll appreciate the hassle-free drives. Who wouldn't want their car to perform at its best? Always.